How's it going, guys? This is Everything Crypto here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase Space Vikings. Let's get started. You guys are going to want to go ahead and download the Trust Wallet. Once you guys have downloaded the Trust Wallet, you guys are going to want to go on your guys' web browser on your guys' device. Once you guys do that, you guys are going to want to go on a website called CoinGecko. Once you guys are on the website, you guys are going to go ahead and type in the search bar Space Vikings. Space Vikings. You guys can go scroll down, and this website basically tells you the statistics of the coin and how it's been doing, and for the past 30 days, 2 weeks, week, and up to the past hour. So you guys are gonna go ahead and scroll back up and go ahead and click where it says Show Info. You guys are gonna go ahead and type on that, click on that. Right where it says Contact, right next, you guys are gonna want to go ahead and click that button next to the little wolf. So it's gonna basically copy it to your guys' device. And then you guys are going to go ahead and head over to this other website called Pancake Swap. This website's basically you're going to go ahead and connect your wallet, and from there you're going to go ahead and convert one of your coins and convert into the Space Vikings. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click Connect Wallet. It's going to give you three options. It's going to say Wallet Connect, Trust Wallet, and MetaMask. I'm going to be using Trust Wallet, but in order to connect your Trust Wallet, you're going to go ahead and click on Wallet Connect. So let's say I click Wallet Connect, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the Trust icon. Once I do that, it's going to transfer me over to my crypto wallet, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Connect. Once it does that, I can go ahead and go back over to my web browser. And if you guys look on the top right corner, you guys can see the little wallet next to the little down icon. It shows that it's connected. And also another way you guys can see that it's connected is if you guys see where it says BNB, it says my balance. So let's say I have a small balance in my account, but it just shows that I have my wallet connected. So where it says selected token, I'm going to go ahead and paste the address that I copied in earlier. So I'm just going to go ahead and type and go ahead and click paste. Then go ahead and click SVT, which is basically an abbreviation for the token. And I'm going to go ahead and click on max. Since I have a small quantity of BNB, I'm going to go ahead and type it in manually, 0.003. And for this transaction, you guys can go ahead and convert coins. Let's say for example, I'm going to be using the Binance Chain coin. You guys can go ahead and use Ethereum or BNB. So I'm going to be using BNB because it's much cheaper on transaction fees. So if you guys can see as the 0.003 BNB, it's going to go ahead and convert it into 600, looks like about 6 billion coins. So once you guys do that, before you guys swap it, you guys are going to want to go ahead and click on the little settings icon. You guys are going to want to make sure where it says slippage tolerance, you guys are going to want to go ahead and type in 12. Once you guys do that, you guys can go ahead and exit. And after that's done, you guys are going to go ahead and click on the swap button. So I'm going to go ahead and click on swap, confirm the swap, and it's going to transfer me over to my wallet. Since I have a small amount of BNB, it's not going to go through. It's just telling me that I have to add more BNB because I think 0.003 is roughly about $1.76, and the max total is $2.52 after the fee, network fee. Since I can't do that, I would go ahead and click. Normally, it would say confirm purchase. Once it does that, it probably take a few seconds for it to appear in your wallet. But the thing is, when you guys do that, you guys it wouldn't appear in your guys' wallet. So you guys would have to click on those on the top right corner and go ahead and type in Space Vikings. And right where it says Space Vikings, I would have to turn it on, because if you guys don't turn it on, I don't own any Space Vikings at the moment, but it would not appear. So in order for you guys to view it, you guys would have to toggle it on. Once you guys toggle it on, it would actually appear in your guys' wallet. So I think since it's toggled on, it's going to be on the bottom for me because I don't own any. And yeah, it would appear right here, and you guys can go ahead and transfer to other wallets or just hold on to it. And then later in the future, you guys can go ahead, once you guys, let's say you guys take a profit and you guys want to cash it out, you guys can go ahead do the same process just backwards. So for where it says from, instead of converting BNB into the Vikings coin, Space Vikings, you guys are going to go ahead and type in Space Vikings, which is that, and then it's going to convert it to BNB. Since I don't own any Space Viking coins, it's not going to convert it. So once you do that, you would actually do the same process, convert it, and then it would convert it into BNB. And if you guys want to convert BNB and go ahead and cash that out, that's another process, which I will show in another video, how to convert BNB and transfer to another wallet, into another app, and then you guys can go ahead and transfer to your bank. So yeah, that's basically pretty much it. How you guys purchase Space Vikings. I hope this video was useful, and if you guys have any comments or questions, you guys can leave it down below. And I hope this video was useful. So yeah, this has been um, everything crypto. I hope you guys have a good one. All right, thanks.